Hello everyone, thank you for watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this cat eyeliner look for you. I'm going to start off by using the Rimmel Scandal Eye Kohl pencil, and I'm going to be putting this in my waterline top and bottom. This line is very soft and creamy, so it's easy to glide. Next, taking the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner and a thin eyeliner brush, I'm going to be starting off by creating a line on the outer part of my eye to create the wing. I'm going to be creating a thin triangle shape and then filling it in, and then going along my natural lash line and then neatening everything up. For the inner corner, just extend the line out, creating like a mini triangle shape, and then connect it to the bottom line, where we applied the Kohl pencil. Now I'm going to curl my lashes before I apply my Ardell Demi Wispies. And then just using some mascara. I'm using the NYX On The Rise mascara. I really like this mascara for my bottom lashes. It separates each lash. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I upload weekly, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.